Welcome to our guide on making money online. Let's explore some effective ways to boost your income from the comfort of your home. Tutoring. Share your knowledge in a subject like math, science, or languages through platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid. Affiliate marketing. Promote other brands' products and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. Online courses. Create and sell online courses if you have expertise in a particular subject. Dropshipping. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark up the price and earn a profit. Online surveys. Take surveys for money but don't expect to earn a lot. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Selling photos. Sell photos of places, landmarks, events, or other common places to businesses for their marketing materials. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative, technical, or creative services to clients from home. You can find virtual assistant job opportunities through websites like FlexJobs, 24/7 Virtual Assistants, and Fancy Hands. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more tips on making money online.